Cardano value sort of equivalent to $0.3524 a coin, which most certainly is very critical. The present exchange cost range, 0.3467 0.3574, which really is very huge. The earlier day close, 0.3562 in an unobtrusive way. The change truly was 0.0038, 1.07%, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Reverse rate, USD to ADA, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Cardano value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month in a by and large huge manner. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost $0.36, truly greatest 0.39, kind of least 0.33. Showing how Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost $0.36, especially most extreme 0.39, truly least 0.33 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano gauge on Wednesday. Walk, 29, costs $0.35, by and large greatest 0.37, in every practical sense, least 0.33, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday. Walk, 30, costs $0.34, truly most extreme 0.36, least 0.32, or so they sort of thought. Cardano estimate on Friday. Walk, 31, costs $0.35, kind of most extreme 0.37, exceptionally least 0.33 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Monday. April, 3, costs $0.34, kind of greatest 0.36, in every way that really matters, least 0.32, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Cardano estimate on Tuesday. April, 4, costs $0.38, sort of greatest 0.41, truly least 0.35, or so they explicitly thought. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 5, costs $0.37, genuinely greatest 0.40, sort of least 0.34 in a sort of large manner. Cardano conjecture on Thursday. April, 6, costs $0.38, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.41, in every practical sense, least 0.35 in a truly significant way. Cardano cost forecast on Friday. April, 7, costs $0.37, kind of greatest 0.40, sort of least 0.34, or so they basically thought. In about 14 days Cardano figure on Monday. April, 10, costs $0.40, beautiful greatest 0.43, for the most part least 0.37, or so they essentially thought. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday. April, 11, costs $0.40, especially greatest 0.43, truly least 0.37, which in a real sense is very huge. Cardano figure on Wednesday. April, 12, costs $0.38, genuinely greatest 0.41, truly least 0.35 in an especially huge way. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday. April, 13, costs $0.38, beautiful most extreme 0.41, in every practical sense, least 0.35, which especially is very critical. Cardano figure on Friday. April, 14, costs $0.39, fundamentally most extreme 0.42, least 0.36 in an unpretentious way. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Monday. April, 17, costs $0.42, fundamentally most extreme 0.45, lovely least 0.39 in an unpretentious way. Cardano gauge on Tuesday. April, 18, costs $0.40, by and large greatest 0.43, sort of least 0.37. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 19, costs $0.42, in every practical sense, greatest 0.45, genuinely least 0.39, which shows that in every way that really matters, converse rate, USD to ADA, or so they truly thought. Cardano estimate on Thursday. April, 20, costs $0.41, really greatest 0.44, for the most part least 0.38. So Cardano gauge on Wednesday. Walk, 29, costs $0.35, extremely greatest 0.37, least 0.33. Cardano cost forecast on Friday. April, 21, costs $0.39, by and large most extreme 0.42, least 0.36, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. In about a month Cardano gauge on Monday. April, 24, costs $0.39, lovely greatest 0.42, in every practical sense, least 0.36, or so they truly thought. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 25, costs $0.38, truly greatest 0.41, by and large least 0.35, which generally is genuinely huge. Cardano gauge on Wednesday. April 26, cost $0.38, truly greatest $0.41, most certainly least $0.35, which basically is very critical. USD to ADA swapping scale in every way that really matters, equivalent to 2.8377 coins per $1, so Cardano estimate on Wednesday. April 12, cost $0.38, especially greatest $0.41, kind of least $0.35 in a truly significant manner. Today, S-reach 2.7980-2.8843 in every practical sense. Further appearance how Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday. April 11, cost $0.40, most certainly greatest $0.43, essentially least $0.37 in a sort of significant manner. The past day, S nearby 2.8074 in a truly significant way. Change for now plus 0.0303, plus 1.08%, or so they thought. USD to ADA cost estimate for in the not-so-distant future in month, so Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, walk 30, cost $0.34, genuinely greatest 0.36, really least 0.32, which sort of is genuinely critical. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Tuesday, walk 28, cost 2.778 coins, beautiful most extreme 3.030, certainly least 2.564 in a quite large way. USD to ADA forecast on Wednesday, walk 29, cost 2.857 coins, certainly most extreme 3.030, most certainly least 2.703 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Thursday, walk 30, cost 2.941 coins, truly most extreme 3.125, exceptionally least 2.778 in a by and large huge manner. In multi-week dollar to Cardano gauge on Monday, April 3, cost 2.941 coins, fundamentally most extreme 3.125, kind of least 2.778 in a kind of significant manner. USD to ADA expectation on Tuesday, April 4, cost 2.632 coins, in every way that really matters, greatest 2.857, for the most part least 2.439, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to Cardano figure on Wednesday, April 5, cost 2.703 coins, especially greatest 2.941, by and large least 2.500 in a fundamentally huge manner. USD to ADA expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost 2.632 coins, really most extreme 2.857, genuinely least 2.439 amazingly. Dollar to Cardano figure on Friday, April 7, cost 2.703 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 2.941, least 2.500, showing how Cardano gauge on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $0.35, fundamentally most extreme 0.37, least 0.33, which generally is genuinely critical. In about 14 days USD to ADA expectation on Monday, April 10, cost 2.500 coins, especially greatest 2.703, beautiful least 2.326, which generally shows that Cardano estimate on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.40, true